Turning Point Media is a proud sponsor of this Chamber Minute.
On March 25th, Congress passed the Healthcare and Education Reconciliation Act of 2010, which amended the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act of 2010, which they passed just 2 days earlier. We now have in place the framework for overhauling our healthcare system as we know it. While regulatory steps and court cases will further shape the implementation of the bills, we now know the core concepts that we will be dealing with. All individuals not covered by Medicare or Medicaid will be required to obtain health care coverage or pay a penalty. The bills don't mandate employer-provided coverage, but they do put in place a pay or play system for employers with 50 or more employees. Small employers with less than 25 employees with average annual wage of less than $50,000 may qualify for a tax credit of up to 35% of their contribution towards the employee health insurance premium through 2013. Starting in 2014, individuals and small employers will have access to health insurance exchanges. Starting in 2013, the Medicare tax base is broadened by imposing an additional 0.9% on earned income in excess of $200,000 for individuals and $250,000 for married couples. And there's also a 3.8% unearned income Medicare contribution tax. $210 billion is expected to be raised on these taxes between 2013 and 2019. Other revenue features include a 40% excise tax on insurance plans with premiums of $10,200 for individuals and $27,500 for families. And fees will be assessed on pharmaceutical manufacturers and importers based on market share, and also on healthcare providers. A 10% tax will be placed on indoor tanning services starting this July. You may face plan design changes if you have annual or lifetime limits on your plan or certain levels of waiting periods. The definition of dependent child will be broadened to cover dependent children up to age 26. This is by no means a comprehensive list of the changes put in place. Please refer to the Chamber's advocacy website, www.greaterreadingvoice.org, for regular updates on the healthcare reform implementation. Perhaps now that this legislation is in place, we can get Congress focused on our economy. Two areas that the Chamber is developing policy statements on are infrastructure investment and trade. I look forward to talking about these opportunities for stimulating our economy in upcoming Chamber Minutes.
Turning Point Media, collaborating with global corporations and small business. Advancing the cause for nonprofit and civic organizations. Creating a competitive edge in a digital age. On target, on time, on budget. Change your direction with Turning Point Media.